Hi guys, welcome, and today in this video I'm going to be explaining you how you can use Miro for creating user flows, and this will be the part 1 of this series because I'll be creating more videos on Miro because there are less videos on this tool and it is a very useful tool for any UX designer. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, I will give you a quick walkthrough of this home page of Miro, where you will see your profile here at the top, and here are other tabs like recent boards, started boards, and your team tab where you can switch between different things like team profile, users, apps, and integration permission, or leave team. Okay, I have created this team for myself only. Then we have the boards in this team, then templates and projects. You can add projects from here by clicking on plus button. So for that you have to upgrade and subscribe to their subscription. Okay, so first of all I will give you a quick walkthrough like how many templates are there in Miro. So here you will see the recommended templates. So I will just click on the show all, and here you will see all the templates that are available for you to use, and here are the all templates that you can choose from, and here is that this filter section from where you can just switch between the popular, newest, or recommended. So here is it all templates, then we have recent, then we have Miro words, then we have building blocks. Okay, and also there are some tabs here like sticky notes, mind maps, tables, and slides, and here you will see icebreakers like that. So here are so many templates for you to use for your brainstorming session with your team, and also here are some other templates by use case like meetings and workshops, ideation and brainstorming. Then we have the research and design, then we have agile workflows, then strategy and planning, then we have diagramming and mapping, and presentation and slides like that. And then we have the custom templates where you will just create your own template by yourself. Okay, so today I'll be using my knowledge to create this user flow, very general user flow, so that you will know without using template how you can create yours. Because if you use template, it is very easy to create anything very easily. Okay, so today I am going to do one thing. I am going to do just create everything by myself. Then in my next video I will tell you how you can use different templates to create your own user flow, storyboarding, like that. Okay, so basically Miro is very useful tool when it comes to brainstorming ideas. Yeah, we use FigJam as well, but I think Miro is more effective than that. So for that I'm just creating this tutorial for you. So let's just start. I will create a new board here. Okay, I'm using a Miro app on my iPad. You can also download it on your PC or on your Mac. Okay, so here are all the tools at the left. You will see here it is their AI. From here you can create different prompts. So if I just remove this prompt that I used earlier, it will create a new prompt for me. Okay, I will just give you a demo here how you can use their AI to create different things for yourself so that it can help you to create user flow journey map more quickly. Okay, you don't have to copy them, you will just get an idea how you have to do that. Okay, so I will just create a very random prompt here. I will just write it down like create an user flow where user is logging into book club app. Okay, I'm just creating this very random prompt here. Then I will just click on generate. it has created this sticky notes because I have selected the sticky notes earlier, so that's why it has created this sticky note where you will see open book club app, then they will click on login button, then they will enter their username or email, then they will enter their password and click submit, then there will be a login authentication process, then there will be a redirect they will be redirected to this dashboard where they will see all the available book clubs, then they will select the book club and they can view book club details and events like that. So it has created the user flow in the sticky notes form. Okay, so let's just give you another example. Here you will see, from here you can create a document, like full fledged document, like if you want to create an executive summary of your product, or if you want to create a product description of your product. Like there is a prompt here already. I was trying it out earlier, and its AI created this prompt for me. So I will just click on generate document, and it will create a very precise looking document for you for this particular product that is mentioned here. Okay, so if you will see, it is creating a full document with executive summary, problem statement, then we have importance of solving the problem now, then we have the data points. It is also creating the data points. So by using the AI, we will get so many ideas that we are not really thinking when we are solving that problem, that particular problem. So you will just create your own prompt, then you can create this document by yourself. I was just giving you an example by creating it. So if you will see, the prompt was for VR headset and product brief, and there is an executive summary, then we have the problem statement, then we have the importance, then we have the data points like user feedback, field of view, resolution, connectivity, like that, and then we have the opportunities. Data points is that like what data you have collected from users, from their feedback. It is the data points. Okay, then we have risk, then we have target audience, then we have definition of done, then we have success matrix and OKRs. Okay, so like that it has created a full document for me for this product brief, where we are redesigning this product because it is creating problems for the users. So that's why it has created this document, example document. So I will just delete it, and I will give you another example for this. Just a second. You can write a it is a prompt. It is a section where you can just type your prompt and it will create the image out of it. So that's what I was saying. So here are some examples for the prompt that you can create. So I will just select the 3D render. Okay, so it has created this prompt where it is written create a 3D render of a futuristic cityscape. So I will just click on the generate image. So it will create a futuristic cityscape image for me. So it is very helpful. If you see, it is the feature that we will not find on Figma right now. It will release in the next year, and it is already there for us on Miro. Okay, so if you see this image, it has created this AI image where there is a futuristic cityscape. So when you create these images, you can also use these images for your designs as well. If you are creating something futuristic, so then you can also use that on your designs. So I will just delete it. I was just giving you an example. Then we have this. From here you can describe your flow chart and it will create a flow chart for you. That's what I was doing here. That's what I was going to explain you here, how you can create your user flow. But this will create the user flow with AI. But I was telling you to create the user flow with your own knowledge. So what I will do is I will just give you an example how you can create the user flow. with AI, then we can create it by ourselves. Okay, so I will just click on the mind map and it will create a this, okay, so we have to select the type, then we will describe our mind map and it will create a mind map for us. Okay, so I will just click on the flow chart and I will just describe it as a create a flow chart for checkout flow on e-commerce app. Okay, so I will just generate the diagram and it will create a diagram for me for the checkout process, like how the user will check out on e-commerce. So if you will see, I will just minimize this. So from here, user will start the checkout. Then is user logged in? If a user is logged in, then they can directly will be redirected to the checkout process, like adding their name, address, then they will be redirected to the payment gateway, like that. And if they are not logged in, then they will be redirected to log in their account. Okay, so if you see, there are two different tabs, two different options here, like fetch the user details and redirect to login. Like I said, if the user is logged in, then they will be redirected to the payment information. If the payment information is saved, then they will be redirected to proceed to payment. And if the information is not saved, then they will enter the payment details, then they will be redirected to the proceed to payment. Then they will place the order, then they will confirm the order, then the checkout is ended. So like that you can create a very simple looking checkout flow, user flow. So today I will create it by myself, by my knowledge, without using any template here, so that I will know how I can create the user flow without using the template on Miro. It's good to use templates because it will save you time, but it is also good if you create it by yourself. Okay, so there are different options. It is our this is our cursor, then we have the templates here at the second, then we have the text, then we have the sticky notes from that you can use from, then we have the shapes for our flow chart, then we have the arrows, then we have this eraser and different sketches, like this is our sketch. From here you can use sketch pen, like that, with different colors like this. Okay, so I'm drawing this with my pencil. I don't know if it works on the PC as well. Okay, then we have this comment option, then we have this frame option. From here you can create different frames like phone, tablet, browser, if you're brainstorming your design ideas, like that. And here is the upload. From here you can upload files. Then from here you can add the embed the apps from different like you can embed the apps, like if you want to embed anything, like if you want to embed wireframe library, you can embed in this board, like that. Okay, so I hope you are getting what I'm saying here. And at the top you will see all these options. From here you can find the apps, and here it is a note tab where you can type in your notes for further references. Then we have this reactions. From here you can add reactions if you are on in the meeting with your team and collaborating on this board. Then we have the comment section, then we have your profile with all the details, then we have notifications, then we have the share and present. You can also present your board while using this. So this was the quick walkthrough of this interface, of Miro interface. So now I will create a very simple looking user flow, and for that I'm going to create a shape here first of all. So for this one I'm gonna take an inspiration from what I created with AI, just to give you an example so that it will not take much time. Okay, so let's just say they have opened the app. So first of all I will add the color to this box. Okay, I will remove this stroke. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in the text. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this arrow. Now I'm going to add another shape here with different color. Now I will write it down like, I will take inspiration from here. So someone clicks on get started. Okay, like that. Now what will happen? When someone clicks on get started, login screen will appear. So I will add another shape with this information. Okay, like that. I will change the color of this just to indicate it. Now what will happen? User fills out the email and password. Okay, change the color of this to yellow. Now clicks on login. Okay, lands on home page. Okay, so this is our simple flow. And if someone wants to reset the password, then what will happen is I will add one more arrow to this box. Also I will add a text like yes. Yes, for like someone wants to change the password, like that. Okay, if someone like, okay, it is done. If someone clicks on forgot password, what will happen is they have entered the recovery email or registered email ID. Then what happen is this link will go to their registered email ID. Okay, then after that, when they click on the reset password link, they will be redirected to this page where they will enter their new password. Now The last step would be, you can also follow along with me if you want to understand it better. Now last step would be, now what will happen is they will be redirected to this page, this one where user will fill out the email and password. They will log in again. I will use another arrow for this one. This. Okay. They will be redirected to this page where they will, fill out the information and log in again. Okay. So this is our very basic login user flow with two perspectives, like if someone logging in directly by entering their username and email or password, and they haven't forgot their password, then they will be redirected to the home page. And if someone wants to reset their password, then here I have created another flow attaching it, so that you will understand how you can create double point of view user flows. Okay, so it is very easy. That's why I have created this without using any template, so that it will be easier for you to understand if you are not using any template. Okay, like that. So I will create more videos on this. It is a very short introductory video for Miro. I will create more of these videos in a depth, and we will deep dive to this Miro and we will brainstorm ideas together. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find this helpful, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such insightful videos, and hit that like button, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram and LinkedIn. Link is in the description, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.